Alright, this box break is brought to you by Bootios. Then make sure you ain't booty. Alright, first order of business. 2 teams from this box goes into SPX2. It'll be for slots 17 and 18 as I map them out. So, we're going to bring this a little bit closer. And it'll be the first 2 teams after we randomize 3 times. There's 1. There's 2. Number 3 it will be Calgary and Ottawa. There we go. Danny, I see you're asking me questions about something different. I will have to get to you that later. So, where is my pen? I have a pen. There we go. So, the Calgary Flames is owned by Brad. In a trade. Ottawa is owned by Ed. So Brad and Ed get those 2 slots. Congratulations. 17 and 18. There. Whoops, as I hit the camera. So just do a recap of who's got what. There you go. No, this is the other way. Let's do work. Will this be the McDavid box? Is this a McDavid box? If it's a McDavid box, Leo will be very, very happy. Open. There we go. Emptiness. Get you guys up here. Here we go. Let's hope we get something good. We'll say base, 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 base. Looks like we got a first pack is all base. Base. What is next? Base. Oh, we have a canvas for Stamkos. The Tampa Bay Lightning, which is Leo. This is Leo owns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 10 teams in this box break. It's a good note. If you own a third of the box, chances are you're going to get a good team or 2. We have a Shining Star of an Oiler, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. So this one goes to Leo. It's just not the Oiler you are looking for. Base. And we have another canvas of Semyon Varlamov of the Colorado Avalanche. Colorado is not a Leo hit. That one's for James.
In the 7 years that you've been gone.
See here, we have a. It is a young gun. So let's see if we can figure out what it is. It is for the Carolina Hurricanes and Leo. Keegan Lowe.
Both in charge of Monday Night Raw, and as a result, which I'm embracing, by the way. Well, as am I. So I have a little peace offering here. A little something just to show you that I really
we have a portrait.
Wholeheartedly embrace
Ryan Johansson of the Columbus Blue Jackets.
Come on. Open it up. I'll hold your microphone.
Columbus is James.
No catch, no agenda, it's just for you.
This will be our Shining Stars blue version.
When Dad stepped on that.
Who owns Pittsburgh? This will be Alfred. A nice blue variant of Sidney Crosby. If you're gonna get a hit, that's not a bad one to get.
In the spirit of
If you don't own Eminem.
all of these people would like to hear your ideas for tonight's show.
You know what, Stephanie? I'm actually...
Okay, we have a base pack.
So, why don't we hear your ideas for tonight's show?
Oh. Shane, I mean, I'm going to take a page out of your book. I mean, let's listen to these people. Do you want to hear Shane's ideas?
Well, this will be a young gun
Or my ideas?
of the the Colorado Avalanche. Mikko Rantanen for James.
I think the people have spoken, predictable as they are. So what are your ideas?
Okay, let's go there. Okay, I'll take that. Thank you very much. All right, tonight, I have a few things in mind. What I would like to do...
Looks like this one is a portrait of Corey Crawford. Chicago Blackhawks for James, who traded Chicago for Florida. This one looks like it's a jersey, so we're gonna, for the patch cards, we're gonna put that to the side. This will be a shining star of Marian Hossa of Chicago for James. That trade's paying off for you. Suck a stack. This will be a young gun. Panarin of Chicago for James. That trade is paying off in spades. We have a canvas of Cronwall for Detroit. Detroit is Alfred.
I think the first decision tonight is to give me what's rightfully mine, and that's a rematch for the Intercontinental title.
This is a bunch of base.
Especially after last night, because you saw it, Stephanie, you saw it at Payback. Actually, let me rephrase.
Young gun, Jordan Wheel of the Kings. The Kings is Joey.
And now that that's done and over with, it's time for me to refocus. I want my Intercontinental title rematch.
Canvas of Tuukka Rask. The Boston Bruins. Beautiful looking card. Boston belongs to Brad. Holy crap, Leo is getting like absolutely nothing right now. He got ones of her. Let's see if we can get Leo a Philip Forsberg, Nashville. No, you don't even have Nashville. That would be Alfred. Gets the Forsberg Shining Star.
And besides, you know what? It's in my contract. I am owed an Intercontinental rematch.
This will be a Legends portrait. Guy Lafleur for Montreal.
Valid point, don't you think?
Absolutely.
Montreal owned by Ed.
That's actually
It's a nice little portrait.
valid point.
Alright, what do we have here? We haven't got all the... There's another young gun. Andrew Kopp of the Winnipeg Jets.
Hold on. Kevin, you talked about last night.
Winnipeg owned by
Last night at Payback,
James.
I had his feet in the middle of the ring. That's right. I had the Intercontinental Champion tap out.
I believe this will be another base pack.
Unfortunately
Yep.
for me and everybody in this Cesaro section, the resident whiner and
This will be a
stuck his nose where it didn't
portrait
belong.
of Tuukka Rask of Boston. We already knew it was Boston. That would be Mr. Brad. Unless it's Christine and she bought in. I never know.
Because if it wouldn't be for you, I'd be standing here as the Intercontinental Champion.
Next up, this will be a young gun. Malcolm Subban for the Bruins. And Brad.
You know what? We handle our business right here in this very ring.
No Connor. Lame. Sorry, Leo.
Kevin Owens, you're gonna take on
Maybe the next one.
and we're gonna see what goes
This
down
one is
here
a bust.
right now of who gets the next shot.
So let's find out what this one is. Let's find out.
Let's see what you can do.
Oh, okay. This one goes to Alfred Pecorine. Nice jersey patch for Leo. And that is the Upper Deck Series 1.